Hello friends, welcome back to One More Guru. In today's video, I'll show you how to check your Singapore visa status using your passport number. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser and type MOME service in the search bar. Under the first link, click on Check Your Application Status. Next, scroll down and select Check Work Pass Status. After that, choose your preferred language and click Continue, then tap Start. In the first box, enter your date of birth. Remember, do not use dots or slashes, only spaces. Then scroll down and select Passport Number as the identification option. Enter your passport number, complete the CAPTCHA, and click Submit. After a few moments, your application status will appear. If it shows valid, that means your application has been approved. Using this method, you can easily check your S-Pass, Employment Pass, or Work Permit status. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching One More Guru. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and useful tutorials.